until we appoint a regular incumbent.
Bosco Integrated Development Society orchestrated a road safety awareness program today at Khyndailad in collaboration with Martin Luther University, IIPS Shillong, Traffic East Khasi Hills and Child Friendly Shillong. Volunteers actively engage in distributing informative pamphlets and displaying banners to emphasize the severe consequences of neglecting traffic regulations. The initiative aimed to enlighten the public about the perils of disregarding traffic rules, underscoring the importance of adherence for communal well-being.
It is necessary to spread an awareness because, as you can see, it's only for the betterment and for the good of the children that parents should understand and have a clear concept on what traffic rule is, and to have a peer understanding to especially aware the children and the youth.
Safety for children is very less, so we are conducting this awareness along with the youth who have it as the placards and the pamphlets where they speak to people that they should take care for the children while crossing the road, and plus they should also keep helmet for children, not only for themselves. And even for the pedestrian, like while crossing on the road, they should cross on the zebra crossing. And even the drivers also should be aware that when they pass by the zebra crossing, they should stop and let people pass by and cross the road.
The Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, R.M. Kurba, today